All right, guys, we are at the Mississauga Drive Test Center. I'm going to take you guys through the G2 route, basically the G1 exit route. So the examiner is going to be coming to your vehicle. He's going to be checking your vehicle, obviously doing a circle check around the car. Your brake lights, your turn signals, everything must be good. He's going to come in the car. He's going to confirm with you some COVID questions, some medical conditions. And then right when he says, whenever you're ready, let's go, just adjust this rear view mirror just to show him that you're adjusting your mirrors, okay? And he's gonna be like, whenever you're ready, go left from here. So make sure when you are leaving the parking spot, you put your chest up against the wheel and then make sure no one's coming, and then you can leave. All right, so we're gonna be going left from here. Left signal on, check your mirror, check your blind spot, do hand over hand, and excellent. So when you're going around this corner, make sure you slow down for the speed bumps. Usually 15 kilometers per hour over the speed bump is good enough. You're gonna be going around this beautiful corner right over here. Make sure you're checking your rear view mirror as well too often. Be approaching this stop sign right over here. It is a one-way stop sign. You're gonna come to a full stop. Make sure no one's coming. Excellent. Look both ways and you're going to go straight. The speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour. We're gonna go left from this all-way stop sign coming up. Signal on, check your mirrors, check your blind spot. It's an all-way stop sign. Whoever stops first goes first. All right, check, look both ways. It's clear. I am going to make my left turn. Right when I complete my left turn, speed limit is 50. I gotta make a right lane change, signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, and make that lane change. Speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour. I'm making a left lane change because we are going to be going left from the traffic lights. So my left signal is on, traffic light is green. I'm gonna approach the intersection. There is no oncoming traffic coming. I check my blind spot, there's no pedestrians. I complete my left turn. Right when I complete my left turn, the speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour. I'm gonna put my right signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, make the right lane change. Right when I make this lane change, I gotta make another lane change now. Right signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, another lane change. Excellent. What is the speed limit over here? 70 kilometers per hour. First traffic light's coming up. We're gonna go right. Right signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, go to my right lane. Traffic light has turned yellow. Obviously, I'm gonna have to come to a full stop. I have come to a full stop right behind the line. I'm gonna put my chest up, make sure no one's coming towards my left side. No one is coming. I check my blind spot and I complete my turn. So right when I completed that turn, they're gonna bring you into this residential area. You can go straight or left from here. We are going to be going straight. It's an all-way stop sign. All-way means whoever stops first goes first. I stopped, there's no one else here. Excellent, I'm gonna proceed with caution. As you see, it's a school route. It's a residential area, so the speed limit automatically is 40 kilometers per hour. I'm gonna be going left from this street coming up, left signal on, mirror check, blind spot check, no one's coming. I'm gonna complete my left turn. I see a white Mercedes right over there. I'm gonna do a parallel park with that white Mercedes coming up. I'm gonna put my right signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, there is no one coming, excellent. I'm gonna approach the vehicle, line up my side view mirrors together. Once I line my side view mirrors up, I'm gonna put my vehicle in reverse, turn the steering wheel one full rotation to the right. I'm gonna start going back. Right when my side mirror aligns up with the back bumper of the stationary car, I'm gonna crank the wheel all the way left. Once I crank the wheel all the way left, I'm gonna keep going back and I am good to go. Put it in park. With the park, gonna be like, all right, whenever you're ready, let's go. Put it in drive, left signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, it's clear, and we are good to go. 3-point turn, right signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, pull over to the side. left signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, there is no one coming. Take my foot off the brake, and I'm gonna go all the way up until I can. Please note, do not go on top of someone else's driveway. I put it in reverse, I'm looking around, beautiful, looking back, excellent, I'm close to the curb, put it in drive, check my mirrors and everything, cross my hands. Once I complete my turn, I release the wheel, and I'm good to go. Uphill park, please. Right signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, it's clear. I'm gonna pull over to the side for an uphill park with a curve. Where do you turn the wheel? Exactly, all the way towards the left. Put my vehicle in park with the parking brake up. I'm asked to go, put my vehicle in drive, left signal on, check my mirror, check my blind spot. In my vehicle, the parking brake is automatic, so I don't have to put it up and down. Checking my mirrors, check my blind spot, and I'm good to go. Stop sign coming up. We are going to go right. Right signal on. It's not an always stop sign. It's a one-way stop sign. There is no line on the ground, so make sure you stop right behind the sidewalk. Put your chest up like this. Look both ways like this. No one is coming. Excellent. Complete my right turn. So they're literally going to take you back to the drive test center the same way they brought you to this residential area. So I'm heading back. It's an always stop sign. I'm going to stop right behind the line, confirm no one's here before me, and I am good to go. Traffic lights coming up. We're going left. Left signal on. Check my mirror, check my blind spot, go to my left lane. Alrighty, so we're making this left turn right now. Obviously the speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour. Put your right signal on, check your mirrors, check your blind spot. So speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour. We made the lane change as well. Traffic lights coming up, we're gonna go right. So right signal's on, check your mirror, check your blind spot, make the lane change. Start slowing down, traffic light is green, so obviously you're not going to come to a full stop. Right when you make that right lane change, speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour. You're literally almost back at the drive test center. Stop sign coming up, we're gonna go right. Right signal on, start slowing down, check your mirror, check your blind spot. It is an always stop sign, so whoever stops first goes first. We stopped first, check the blind spot, excellent, complete the turn. Right when you complete the turn, you literally go back right into the drive test center and you are good to go. Please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, smash that bell icon. If you guys have any questions, please make sure to comment and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thank you.